Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quen here, and today I am memory planning for the week of August 30th through September 5th in my TSKP planner. I'll be using this kit, Summer Woman by Jax and Peppers. Super pretty kit. It's in rose gold foil. The only thing that I did notice about this kit is that for this particular one, it didn't have a quote box. But that's fine. And I really did like the scalloped foiling on the washi. I thought that was really pretty. So for this week, I really didn't do much. It wasn't really eventful. I don't know if you all care about that or if you just like seeing the stickers being placed down. And these numbers are from Sadies stickers. So I did decide to leave in how I do the date covers or how I decorate the date covers. For this week, I used florals from Sadie Stickers. It was the Floral Deco number 1 or Floral Halves number 1. Yes, there are tiny hens in this video. And I also pulled in some of her line dividers. As well as her floral foiled deco. However, I did go check on the website to try to search and see if I can, reorder. However, I didn't see any on her shop, so I'm thinking she got rid of them. Hopefully she brings them back. I really love them. I was able to get one more order in of them, so that was good. These floral halves that you see me pulling in are from Alyssa's Craft Shop. So I did decide to go every other one with the coconut headers. I thought they were really cute. I also pulled in a flag from the kit that had that same design, a floral from the kit, and the September script is from Sadie Stickers. And all of those little floral stems that you see me pull in that are foiled are from Sadie Stickers. So moving on to the sidebar, I put in my full box and a divider from Lux Kitty Designs and a lace trim from Jkcreatesco. And I didn't even realize that I was out of frame. But let me just explain. I just do my usual. I put my 2 habit trackers. This, the squiggle is from Sadie Stickers. And I just use the Monday through Sunday checklist to mark when I ordered stickers, as well as the larger deco piece from the kit. I'm sorry if you can hear a helicopter. He's like right over the house. So I did decide to use the weekend banner that comes in the kit. Normally I just don't use it and it's just left behind. So I did want to go ahead and include that in the spread for this week. And then I did move that box since there was already a girl on that side in the weekend banner. I just moved the girl here over to Sunday, and the girl is like really cute and she's on the beach. She's got her short shorts on and she's giving summer life, summer woman life. So I thought that was really cute. I'm just pulling in the rest of the headers from the kit. So on Monday, I started with my coffee. I pulled in some florals from the kit, and the coffee mug is from Paper Muse Craft. Also, I noted that the daycare was closed as well as the school. It wasn't a holiday, but it was like teacher's work day for the charter school. I pulled in the doily from Alyssa's craft shop, and the bag is from Paper Muse Craft to mark that I did an Amazon fresh order. I also put on makeup this day, and the makeup brushes are from Planner Studio, and I just added a foil bow from Sadies stickers. On Tuesday, I did some cleaning. The cleaning time script is from Paper Crown Planner. I think that's the name. It was just a printable, very convenient. I can print it out anytime that I need to. I did some self-care. I had a shower and I did a face mask this day. The self-care script is from the kit, and the tub is from White Deer Stationery. Later that day, we had chicken and 4 cheese mac, and I just pulled in a flag from the kit and the utensils from White Deer Stationery. I also was able to catch Planners and Tacos live, so I put that in as well. The shell is from the kit, and the planner is from White Deer Stationery. On Wednesday, I pulled in some florals in my Coffee Monsters code character to mark that I did a CT scan this day. I also got some Happy Mail from Sadies stickers, as well as my Simply Gilded subscription box. The little mail card here is from Sadies stickers, one of the monthly kits. I pulled in more florals, and the TV is from Alyssa's craft shop. I really like how I've been like hiding the icons behind the florals. I think that's really cute, so I'm gonna continue doing that probably throughout the whole spread, I believe. I ended up watching The Good Doctor. I'm on season 4 of The Good Doctor, and it's so cute. He is having a child now. It's gonna be a little girl. I'm so excited to see what the outcome is gonna be. Later that day, I crocheted a little bit more of my mom's blanket. And this character here, she's just crocheting the blanket. I think that's really cute. On Thursday, I got my nails done, and that is the nails that I have on now, peach roll. And I pulled in a little nail bottle from Planner Studio. I've been trying to keep up with my videos. As you can see, you know, my nails are done. I'm saying that my nails are done. This was last week, so I'm only like a week behind. Hopefully I can keep it steady like this. I also marked that I cleaned my craft space, and I pulled in this little cart here, and this is from Grand Plans. It is a printable, so I can print that out any time that I need to. I think that's so convenient. Pulling in a frame box from Sadie Stickers to mark that I FaceTime Marcia. And the phone is from White Deer Stationery, and I just added a foiled bow. I also pulled in a flag later that day to mark that Babe started work. On Friday, I had more coffee. Don't be alarmed, I only drink decafs. I just like the flavor of the coffee, so sometimes you'll see it multiple times throughout the week or throughout the day. I wanted to mark that I ordered some stickers from Florina. She had been closed for a while, and she's finally back open. She has tons of florals, and I was able to grab some. She had a sale, so I wanted to mark that, and I pulled in a Coffee Monsters character that says ordered, And the little squiggle under that is from Sadies stickers. Later that day, I had to go to the bank for the daycare, and the money is from Paper Muse Craft. I also went live and I filmed. The camera is from Alyssa's Craft Shop. On Saturday, I put on makeup again. I used the lipstick from the Planner Studio. Didn't have much else going on Saturday, so I pulled in this scallop mandala from Jkcreatesco. And later that day, I did get some happy mail, and I pulled in the little mail sticker from Paper Muse Craft. On Sunday, I was in tons of laundry. Like, it's just never ending laundry, wash, fold, dry. So yeah, that's what I was doing, and I pulled in the character from the Planner Studio, and this laundry script is from Lux Kitty Designs. I also binge watch Hulu, and I love this TV stand. I need to order some more. These are from Paper Muse Craft. And I also wanted to mark that I had a pineapple frozen pop. It was so good, and that was like a self-care moment for me. I just sat, I went outside, I hid from the kids, and I had my pineapple popsicle. It was so good. And I pulled in that squiggle from Sadie stickers. So here is the before the pin. I'm gonna give you a wiggle.
Who is it? You say the Indian?
Yeah, both of them Indians. The one that owns it is an Indian.
And another wiggle for you all.
Works on is an Indian.
If you all enjoyed this video, if you can please give me a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye. Oh, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then where you at? Make sure you subscribe, guys.